Episode 12 of the Ruckus build is getting rendered, ready to go upload. In today's video, we got a box from JBtuned. Mr. Sean from JBtuned reached out to me. I'm assuming he saw the install/review video I did of the JBtuned shifter I received from Neo's garage. He reached out to me, was like, hey bro, how about the next video you do is a comparison between the different versions that they have for the B-Series Pro Circuit shifter. And I was like, yeah, if I ever come across one for a good deal, I'll pick it up and then I'll do the review. Then he was like, nah, email me. I emailed him and, well, here we have a JBtuned box. So let's see which version he sent me and install it and give you guys another review and let you guys know, is it worth upgrading from the version 1 to the version 2 or 3. I don't know how many versions there are. I just know there's 3 different styles of the... Let's start the video. You know it ain't a Zosh video unless I start the video walking out the garage, so that's what we got to do right now, playboy. Hey, big head. How you doing? Alright, so let's see what Mr. Sean sent you, boy. I think this is the one like that dude in blue. I think it's that one. I'm not too sure. Let's see. Oh, my blade's getting dull on me. Can't even cut through tape. Whoa! Whoa, 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 whoa! Whoa! Yo, hold on. Yo, hold on, playboy. Hey, hold on, bro. Whoa. They sent me a shop banner. Yo, what? They also sent me, what is this? T-shirt, a JBtuned key thing, another key thing. I got the plate frame right here. They also sent me some stickers, JBtuned stickers. What? Oh, man. Okay, so here. Oh, I'm done. I'm done. Goodbye. Yo, y'all might be like, yo, Zosh, bro, you overreact. Let me show you. Not only did he send me the version 2, he sent me all of them. I have both version 2 and 3. I think this is 3. This is 2. I think they go by versions. I don't know, but bro, come. This year is like the best year I've ever had in my entire life, bro. This is insane. Sean, if you're watching this, which I hope you are, thank you so much, dude. Bro, I thought, wow. I don't know which one to install. Should we just go ahead and install this one so I got a K-series? Yeah, I think we'll install this one. But now I have all 3 of them, bro. So for the remainder of this video, I'm going to install version 2 because I have to go to Randy's job to get an alignment. So I'm going to drive on the version 2 there, and on the way home, I'm going to drive on the version 3. I'm going to do a couple pulls here and there, daily driving, and give you guys my honest review on all 3 of them. But, dude, this is, bro. Sean, thank you, man. Thank you so much, bro. Before we start the install process of the video, I got my banner up. I mean, all of them are uneven. So, I mean, I'm not the best at, hand-eye coordination, if that, does that even make sense with, but, yeah, man, shout out to the homies, bro. If you have a shop banner you want me to put in my garage, even though I have no space in this little shed, I don't know. DM me on Instagram, bro. I'd love to fill up my wall with just shop banners. Okay, so if you're new to the channel, I installed this JBtuned shifter, my first ever JBtuned shifter, about a week and a half ago. And I absolutely love this shifter, bro. Like, bro, look how short the throw is. Like, look at that, bro. So this would be considered version 1. This will be version 2, and I believe this to be the last version of it, which is version 3. And I thought they was gonna send me this one to compare the version 2 to the version 1, because in my video I was talking about both versions of them. But I did not know I was gonna get the Big Daddy. This Big Daddy might be the truth, bro. So what we're gonna be comparing first would be the version 2, because it has all the hardware. Reason being, well, it's number 2, and it has all the hardware. And version 3, I'd have to transfer all the hardware from version 2. So we're gonna get this one loose, put on version 2, and then go for a ride, and hopefully we see a drastic difference. Well, I will. I'll let you guys know, honestly. I didn't tell you guys the video, but I adjusted the ball to the toppest form for the shortest throw, and so that's why the throw is like so short. So in case you want a shorter throw, that's what you gotta do. I got the 3 screws at the bottom tight. I had to freaking remove it. I had to remove the Allen key from this little whatever thing you call it, because I couldn't reach it down there. So now we're just gonna loosen these up, put the shifter in, and yeah. Well, it feels like that. Clean. Whoa. so much taller than before. Please don't fall, camera. I see you shaking. I see you with the shakes, baby. Please don't fall. So my first reaction to the shifter, it doesn't feel as short as the version 1. Like the throw doesn't feel shorter. Like I'm not sure if it's supposed to feel shorter, but it feels longer with the version 2. But it could be how I got my actual shifter itself with the knob on it adjusted. But it's smooth though. Like it's smooth. I think for the most part it's supposed to be smoother. I don't know. I honestly don't know, but it's just a review for me. As of right now, I like the version 1 better than the version 2. The version 1 just feels much like stiffer for me. Like this feels a little bit too loose in a way of like it feels sloppy. It's not as stiff as I would like. But there goes my camera. As I was saying, the version 2 feels a bit sloppier than the version 1, in my opinion. With my current settings where I feel most comfortable with, but it's not a bad shifter. Like, it's really not that bad. What I can say honestly though, I shift much smoother and better with this version 2 than I do with the version 1. Cause like with the version 1, when I come off the clutch or whatever, like I can tell like I'm giving too much gas compared to the clutch, but with this one it's perfect. I don't get it. I don't understand why. Maybe it's because it's not as stiff as the version 1. But I shift much smoother with this one than I do with the version 1. So that's dope. Now the true testament to this is I have a track day this Saturday. When I go to the track and race on the drag strip or whatever. I call it track day, but we're gonna do some pulls with the version 2 and see what your boy can do. Holy shit. Holy shit. Wow. Wow. Oh, wow. Okay. Whoa. Yeah, I think this shifter's legit, bro. Like, my shifting, yo. I doubted you, bro. I doubted you, little. I doubted you. Oh. Underestimated the version 2. I shift much better with this shifter than I did with the version 1. Wow, so I guess the longer support that they give you is much, much better. Wow. I'm honestly surprised, bro. I'm really surprised at how... Look at that. Okay, the version 2 shifter, the version 2 is all right, bro. It's much better than the version 1. Oh my god, I can't believe I said the bad things I said about it. Yo, the shifting with this thing is on, like, where I have my settings are perfect, bro. Literally perfect. Oh god, just so good. It's just so good. Back home and, bro, the version 2 is by far, from the version 1 and 2, is the most well-balanced one. I honestly, truly believe that for daily driving and like racing or circuit or whatever, the version 2 would be the best bet, but I haven't tried the version 3. But out of 1 and 2, they did their thing with version 2. Like, I honestly thought version 1 was better because of how stiffer it was, but like, don't get me wrong, the version 2 is still stiff, but it ain't stiff as the first one. But that's just my personal opinion, you know what I'm saying? Like, I ain't trying to, you know what I'm saying, be biased and say, oh yeah, version 2 is better because it's the version 2. But well, I mean, it is the version 2, and they did a thing with this, bro. Like, when I was talking about my shifter position, I have it like this. I had it actually more up, but then I adjusted it more down, and this is perfect. Like, I could probably go more down and get it like stiffer, I think. I don't know, I'm not too sure. But right here is just perfect, bro. Like, this is just perfect. But enough talking, let's put on the version 3 and go out for some more driving and see which one do I think the best one out of the 3. Yo, look at this thing, son. Jesus, bro. Oh my god. My first initial reaction to it is, it kind of feels like the version 2. There's a lot of play in it. But for the most part, like, feels like the version 2. I just like the way it looks. It just looks badass, yo. It looks like a K-series shifter for some reason. I don't know why, it just reminds me of that. Alright, so I've been driving around for like 5 minutes, and so far it feels just like the version 2, bro. Like, I don't know, I don't know if it's a little smoother. I don't know, like, it shifts. I don't know, man. Like, I'd honestly say it's just design preference. I know, like, the EKs have a lot of issues with this hitting the dashboard when you go to 3rd and 5th, and this has like a more extended back end, so I feel like this one's made for the EKs. As far as pulls, I only did 1 pull so far, and I couldn't get to go into gear. Like, it didn't go smoothly into gear, but I can't drive, so I'd have to do a couple more pulls to like really get a feel for the version 3 and see if if there's a difference between the pulls between the version 2 and 3. But so far the version 2 is like my choice. But where'd you get that from? Who car is that? Fucking Travis? Huh? I can't get it to go in 3rd with this shifter, but it goes in with version 1 and 2, but it won't go into 3. So I've been driving and talking for the last 20 minutes, and you guys heard none of it because I ran out of space 21 minutes ago. So, rip. It's currently 8:02. Hopefully I have enough time to reset what I said, but I had to stop by Tropical Smoothie because, hey, bro, they Chipotle Ranch, what is it? Chipotle Ranch clubs? Is it a flatbread? It's on the screen. Fire. Complete and utter fire. And the smoothie they got right now is called the Watermelon Mojito. Fire, bro. Fire. The boy got 2 Chipotle Chicken Ranch, whatever the hell they called, and 2 smoothies, 1 from your madre, and uno dos. Cool thing about this shifter, I don't hit nothing, playboy. I don't hit nothing, playboy. Yeah, knock 'em. Let's hopefully attempt to close out this review portion of this video. My viewpoint on the version 3, very close to the version 2. I think all version 3 is just for space. If you have an EK, or if you want a closer reach to you, like the shift better, depending on like where you adjust your seat to sit. But would I recommend the version 3? Yes and no. No, because if you have the version 2, then you don't need the version 3. But if you have the version 2 and you have an EK or whatever, then you obviously hit your center console and stuff like that. So yes, I would say get the version 3. If you don't have an EK, you have an EG or a DC, then I highly recommend the version 2. The version 2 is the best all-around shifter in my opinion. The version 1 is hella stiff, which I love because like you can bang gears and you like, I don't know, I feel the version 1 is better for track racing. I don't know, that's just how I feel, but the version 2 is the best all-around one because you can daily drive it like perfectly fine, you know what I'm saying? Like, when I mean by daily drive it, you can daily drive the version 1 and the version 3, but for an all-around shifter, the version 2 is by far the best one, like, hands down. I just love the way the version 3 looks, like, it just looks badass, so I might keep it in here. I'm gonna do another semi-review come track day. I'm gonna do, like, probably 4 passes tops on the track. I'm gonna do a pass with the version 1, a pass with the version 2, and then a pass with the version 3, and I give you guys a review on like track or drag racing with the different styles of the shifters. But my current standpoint of all the shifters, version 2, version 1, and then version 3. And And I forgot to close out the video yet again. Welcome back to a Zosh video where I forget to close out the video with a nice outro summarizing the entire video. So huge thank you to JBtuned for sending out the elbows and the banner and the shirt and key tags. And can't forget the horsepower additors, which is the stickers. I got that slapped on my car, you feel me? But it's been 2 days since I did the review and I've been driving on a version 3 and my viewpoint changed. So it's version 2, then version 3, then version 1. Version 1 is the best for just straight up drag race. Like I think the version 1 in my opinion is the best one when it comes to that, because it's so it's stiffer, and I guess the bigger they make them, the more unstiff it gets. You can take my word for it, or you can try it out yourself, but this is just from a personal standpoint, personal opinion, personal experiment, I guess, with, I don't know how I drive my car. I just feel like the version 2 is the best shifter that they made for the B series, and the version 3 is close second because it feels like the version 2, but it's a little, you know, not as stiff, and it looks cooler though. It looks so cool. I love the version 3 because how cool it looks. Just look at them bad boys. Ooh, ooh, ooh. But yeah, the shortest throw you get is with this. You know what I'm saying? It goes, shortest throw is obviously 1, 2, then the big gigantic one that's in the car right now. But yeah, if you want the shortest throw with your shifter, version 1's the best. But that's gonna wrap it up for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did enjoy the video, could you please smack that like button for you, boy? That'd be greatly appreciated, playboy. Thank you guys for watching. I'll catch you guys in the next one. I'm out. Peace. Oh wait, we'll be at the track this Saturday at PBIR. Come down and say what up to your boy. Christina got the front end on. I gotta release that video Sunday or tomorrow. I don't know, I got too many videos to edit and upload. But yay, come down to Jupiter, Florida if you want to catch your boy Zosh out there. Randy gonna be out there. The Mi's gonna be out there. The Stock Block Gang gonna be out there trying to get some prices in, playboy. But thank you guys for watching. I guys gotta know about.